Most people get this wrong. They think Chime Credit Builder has a normal credit limit like a regular credit card. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting a fixed limit that increases over time. In this video, we are breaking down the Chime Credit Builder limit in 2026 and how it actually works in real life. Let's start with the simple truth. Chime Credit Builder does not work like a traditional credit card. There is no fixed credit limit issued by a bank. Instead, your spending limit is based on the money you move into your credit builder account. Now here's where it gets interesting. This means your limit is flexible. If you add $200, that becomes your spending power. If you add $1,000, that becomes your spending power. So instead of borrowing from a bank, you are essentially controlling your own limit. Let's break it down step by step. First, how the limit is set. When you transfer money from your Chime spending account into your credit builder account, that amount becomes your available spending balance. That is your working limit for the card. For someone like Alex who is just starting out with credit, this is actually helpful, because there is no risk of overspending money they do not have. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Because it is your own money, there is no traditional credit limit increase, like you would see with a regular credit card. You cannot request a higher limit from a bank, because the system is different. Now let's talk about how usage works. Every time you use your Chime Credit Builder card, the transaction is backed by your own funds. Chime then reports that activity to credit bureaus as part of your credit history. In a minute, I'll explain why this structure still helps build credit, even without a real borrowing limit. Second, does the limit affect your credit score? Not directly. Unlike traditional credit cards, your limit does not impact your credit utilization in the same way. Instead, what matters is how consistently you use the card and make on-time payments. For someone like Jake who is trying to build credit from zero, this system removes debt risk while still building credit history. Third, flexibility and control. The biggest advantage of Chime Credit Builder is control. You decide how much money you want to allocate. This helps prevent overspending and keeps your financial risk extremely low. But it also means growth is limited compared to traditional credit cards. So what should you expect in 2026? You should expect a stable, self-controlled spending limit that you manage yourself. It will not grow like a bank-issued credit line, but it will help build credit history over time, if used consistently. Let's summarize everything clearly. Chime Credit Builder does not have a traditional credit limit. Your limit is the amount of money you move into the account. It is flexible, safe, and fully controlled by you, making it a beginner-friendly credit building tool in 2026. If this helped you understand how the Chime Credit Builder limit works, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit explanations like this.